Hey Fit Fam, what's going on? So, the unboxing of one of the packages that came today. Let's get it. We get our packages, I guess 5 to 7 days. It comes really quickly. I remember during COVID, we had a little delay in shipping, but our team definitely worked at their best to ensure that everybody got their packages. Our customer service is number one, y'all. So it comes packaged in a box and whatever size, whatever you order. In this package today, and I have some more coming throughout the week. Today's Thursday, yeah, we have some more. So I ordered our month supply of tea. I ordered the 2-pack, right? There's 25 that comes in each pack. This is our original detox tea. I told y'all I'm going on that detox because listen, that belly ain't playing, okay? And the winter months are coming, and we know Thanksgiving and Christmas and all those times that people are going to gather together and people are going to want to eat and enjoy and full-jai themselves. Why? Because it's 2020 for so many people has been a rough year, okay? So we know y'all ain't gonna be eating good. You guys gonna be so excited, enjoying yourself and not being mindful of the things that you're eating. So having a detox is amazing. So shout out to all the people that click the link on my bio and get your detox tea and get yourself ready and prepared for what's to come, right? You gotta stay ready. So got my tea, the 2-pack. You can get the individual, just 1-pack, or you can get the 2-pack. I wanted to get the 2-pack. There's 25 in each, so I have 50 tea sachets here. Excited. What I do with these guys, I put some lemon. I put lemon drops, and yeah, it's really amazing. What else do we have here? I feel gypped. All eyes on me. I got little ones on both sides looking at me like, what are you doing? When they should be doing their homework and eating lunch. But NutriBurst, the multi-liquid vitamins that hits the spot real good, that gets you 10 salads just by having a tablespoon or half a capsule of this liquid vitamins. It absorbs into your bloodstream 98% more, and this bad boy right here gets your life. It's giving you all the vitamins, all the minerals, all the iron. It even helps, it's another form of detox. It helps to detoxify your body. We have vitamin A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. No, you know I'm lying, but we got all the vitamins in it. Vitamin A, C, D, E, vitamin B6, B12. Some things, I cannot pronounce. Some biotin, calcium, all sorts of things. Oh, guess what, guys? I compared this to the Materna or any, supplements that, are prescribed for us off the shelf, guys. And we are winning. Like the percentage in the daily value of all of these ingredients are just straight facts, the bomb, okay? And as it comes to ingredients, the very first ingredient in there is water, guys. Water. So peep that. So this is today's unboxing of Total Life Changes products. I've been in the company for 3 years now. I had my little anniversary this summer. It was amazing. We get our invoices, so it's a legit company, y'all. You get your invoices, you have the customer the customer corporate office there that you can call. You have the address. You could even pop up and go pick up your stuff over there, right? We are manufactured, our products are manufactured straight out of Detroit, Michigan. And we ship out to over 150 countries, guys. And the products are absolutely amazing. So we tap into over 9 recession proof industries. So we do have us some. Ooh, this tea, it comes in CBD form. We are number one voted, okay, number one voted tea. Wait, when did they take that off? Hold up, wait a minute. Anyways, 30-day money back guaranteed, right? So if you get these products and you don't like it, guess what? Send it back. Send it back, get back your money. Contact us and we will deal with you accordingly. Now, you must buy the product off of the website, off of my website, by visiting retail.totallifechanges.com/Tina with the T. Yes, I got the T, honey. I do. I got the T. So if you want to grab a hold of that, so like I said, it comes in 3 different forms: the instant tea, and we have the original form, which is this what we have here, in 2 different forms: the brewed, for the old school who like to sometimes, you know, put that tea on the stove. I am actually going to do that and show you guys. I'm going to create my own little gallon of brewed tea so that you will see what that looks like, right? And I'll be having that and mixing it with a different things throughout the week, like lemon, like parsley, basil, things like that, adding into my tea, but no sugar, none of that, guys. So I'm excited. But the instant, the people on the go, you take these sachets, you add them into water, in your water bottle, your 8-ounce water bottle. We have these brewed tea sachets, not brewed, sorry, these instant sachets for in CBD. This is the original. We have the CBD with THC, and then we have the CBD without THC in it, which is amazing. Look up what CBD does for your body, and to have it into her 9 herbs blended product, to have it with a mixture of these amazing essentials that help your body to really cleanse, detoxify your body, and really keep your digestive system flowing normally, to help boost your immune system when you start implementing and replenishing your body, implementing this into your routine and replenishing your body. So they go well together, because as I'm going to start my little detox, okay, I'm gonna have like 2 or maybe 3 days. I have 2 of the sachets, cup of brewed. Is what I'm going to go do. That's what I'm gonna do, right? That's what your girl gonna do. So we're gonna have this, and then each morning I'm going to have my half a capsule with this. So while I'm detoxing, I'm also replenishing. Remember, y'all, detoxing using this specific tea, it is going to cleanse you out on a cellular level. You're going to get the good and the bad. You are cleansing out your colon, your kidney. You're getting all the bad junk out, which is the good point, right? But then we need to make sure that we're eating properly. Some days we miss our breakfast. Some days our breakfast starts a little late. It becomes brunch. Other times we have breakfast, but we're missing out on lunch, and then our next meal is in the evening at dinner time, right? So life adds to us creating unhealthy habits. So therefore we need to find supplements that can help us, like, you know, the little bars we eat throughout the day, the protein bars, or the you know, any little supplements that we take, little snacks, peanuts, nuts in general. Some of us like to snack on. Well, with this, me replenishing my body with the NutriBurst, right? We also have it in a NutriBurst Plus, which is good for heart and brain health. But with me taking this, guys, it helps to fill in those gaps. Having this is helping me get the 10 salads per day that I may be missing out from not even having one salad a day. Having this helping me to gain and replenish my energy, boost my energy, boost my immune system, helps my appetite to increase throughout the day. So definitely I will be using these for the remainder of, I will say, 30 days. I'll give myself 30 days. They're 25 in each sachet and 50 together. So yeah, I'll give myself 30 days, so I'll have a little extra. I also sell these guys, so again, go and check out my website. You can visit me at Smile Fitness by Trees, or go follow me over on my other private page. This page is actually private, OG_Trees, TRICE, but my Smile Fitness by Trees, TRICE, this girl over here, is actually open to the public. So go ahead and follow both. Keep up to date with our workouts, keep up to date with our, you know, our journey, our transformation, just our belief in the new lifestyle we are creating here for our families and for our friends. Just to show you the unboxing. Sorry, didn't want you guys to see my information, but the unboxing of our Total Life Changers product. I am a Total Life Changers, and I am helping 1,000 Black billionaires, right, this year and next year. So if you believe that you can be one of those, helping my coach, the visionary for 1,000 families, to create millionaires and billionaires, right? She had already been her and already created over 30 millionaires, and now she is on pursuit to creating 1,000 Black billionaires. And yes, I am not a billionaire yet, but I am on my way, because I am coached by the number one female network marketer in the entire industry. I am coached by multi-millionaires and six-figure earners who have been there, done that, and now bringing the system, the tools, the knowledge back to me so that I can apply it in my life and apply it to those who are ready to learn, ready to apply what I have to give them, ready to lead with me. I'm looking for leaders in this season. In this season, I am walking with only leaders and believers who are ready to believe in an absolute total life change. Like, this is no joke. I am able to work at home, in my living room, in my room, in my office, in my kitchen, wherever I want to be in my house, and really serve my community, serve online, serve my children, serve myself, and be everything that I need to be, operating in excellence and continuing to teach others to do the same. So if you are excited as I am to really learn more about what it is that I do, what it is that we do here, then definitely I want you to be curious, inquire, because tea is way more than tea. It is more than tea, but a healthy life definitely priority, because we believe here that our health is our wealth, and my life has definitely proven that. Because I remember when I was unhealthy, I was unable to go out and work. I was unable to generate any forms of income. It has happened to me several different times in my life where I have had to remove myself from a company or lose my own personal company that I built for myself due to, again, illness, not taking care of myself, and just my body really giving me signs that it's about to shut down. So I had to pay attention. I had to take notice, right? So sharing this with you, with hopes to ignite action with you. So go ahead, click the link in my bio, click the link on any platform that you are seeing this here today, and join us. I welcome you already. I love you. Love yourself and experience the love of God. Have a good one.